You are attending computer coding class. Please like and subscribe my channel.
Welcome. Today we will find factors of a number using list comprehension in Python. Factors means divisors of a number that are fully divided by that number. Let's start coding. In this program, first we will calculate factors of a number without using list comprehension. In second part, we will find out all the factors of a number using list comprehension. In first line, user will input from the keyboard and that number is stored in integer variable, and we will calculate the factors of n. Next, create an empty Python list. Next, run for loop from 1 to n plus 1. Here we write n plus 1 because for loop in Python always run from 0 to n minus 1. In for loop block, write if n mod I equal to 0. Here mod means remainder. If remainder is 0 means number is fully divided by n. So next, append that number in our Python list. In this way, we find out all the factors of the number. Next, print that Python list that contains all the factors. This program took 4 lines to calculate factors of a number, so it is time consuming and lengthy process. Next, run the program and enter the number 90. Next, it is showing the factors of 90. Next, we will perform the same operation by using list comprehension that will decrease the length of program from 4 lines to a single line. List comprehension always return a Python list. So we will write list equal to, then opening and closing bracket. We will write the sentence in between these two brackets. First, write for loop from 1 to n plus 1 range. After for loop, we will write our condition, that is if n mod equal to 0. Here for loop always return I, so we write I at the first position of list comprehension. In this way, we wrote only a single line in place of 4 lines. So list comprehension always decrease the length of program and improve proficiency and speed of the program. Next, print the list of factors and run the program. In output window, enter the number 90 and now it is showing the factors of 90. Again run the program. At this time we will input a prime number, that is 137. All prime numbers have only 2 factors, that are 1 and that number. Now I am ending this tutorial for today. Thank you. Kindly subscribe our channel.